Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jincy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I am trying my best to upload 6 times a week and today is Saturday, so happy Saturday. Psycho me. Just kidding. I was gonna take today off, but girl, I got 2 happy mails. Budget with Amanda created a group, pen pal group for us girlfriends, whoever wanted to join in the group and send freebie to each other, whatever freebie we already had, like on our coffee shop, and just basically print them out and send it out. And I did that already for like 5 people, and I got 2 of them already. One from Amanda and one from Katie. Ray Doll Budgets. I will put their link. I will tag them in the description box so you guys can check them out. And yeah, you guys, so today we're going to be cash stuffing $345. So yeah, I'm excited, you guys. So if you're new here, I already started my journey in YouTube over a year. I took 4 months break. And so since I already hit the 12-month for us to get qualified to get monetized, my watch time goes down every time I don't get more view, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to upload 6 times a week. I may have to upload 7 times, non-stop until I get there. So yeah. So let's go ahead and get started and open the Happy Mail, and then we go ahead to cash stuffing, you guys. So I'm going to open Katie. So this is from Katie, and you can search her Ray Doll Budgets. So exciting. So we all send some freebie to each other, and this is her freebie. I'm excited, you guys. So those freebies, they already provide to us, either in their Etsy shop or coffee shop or just in general. And we're just sending each other those. It says, thank you. Oh, that is so sweet. She said, Yancy, thank you for being a pen pal. I have minis and micro that will be added to my coffee this month. I hope you like them, Katie. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. I already see purple. If you didn't know, purple is my favorite color. All right. So here we go. We have some disco, and it says wanted. So cute. Love that. And then we have some cowboy hat. Ooh, yeehaw! Oh, I love it. This is just perfect for minis. I'm gonna like this for minis. Okay, but the house stinking cute is a little cat. Meowdy! Oh my goodness, look, Ray Doll Budgets, so cute. And then last but not least, she has this one. Oh no, there's 2. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the little cat. The little cat theme as a cowboy. Okay, thank you so much. Trust me, I'm going to use them. I love it. So adorable. Thank you, love. Thank you, thank you. All right. And then next, I have this one from Budget with Amanda, you guys. I loved her video. I just recently found her. YouTube would basically suggest me her video. And then out of the nowhere, she followed me on TikTok and Instagram. Then I followed her back and I was like, oh my gosh. She is just, wow. Like, she's just energetic. That's all I have to say. I really like her video. Alright, so here it is. This is her freebie that she sent me. This one is the cute little cat from Bookie's Budget 8 Budget Days. So I think this is from another shop that she sent me, but it is so cute. And then never suppress a generous thought. Okay, so cute. Love that. Then we have Yancy. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, Yancy, thank you so much for joining the Pen Pal group. I am so excited to have found your channel and be able to connect with you via mail and not just the internet. I hope you love everything. I included an extra goodie from a Leo. Is it Leo? From a something shop, Bullish Budget Nails, and everything else is from my coffee at Budget with Amanda. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Yes, I believe it's this one. I love it. It's so cute. Yay! Guys, I'm not good with reading, so bear with me. Okay. All right. Wake Up Grateful. So cute. Love it. I can put this in my little, I will definitely put this on my little a 5 agenda binder, or whatever you want to call it. 3 of 9 Disney challenge. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Look at the Disney challenge. Okay, we have Slick in the Savings. I love this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Scary Savings. This is so adorable. Mini challenge. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I love these. It's so cute. Okay. Okay, so this one is blank. This one is 1. And this one is 2. And last but not least, I have got my IOU. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Amanda. This was so nice and fun for you to create this for all of us girlies and send out our little freebies to each other so you know we can save. And yeah, so thank you so much. I love both of you guys. Thank you for that. And yeah, I'm so excited to use them, you guys. All right. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? You might hear my kids. It's Saturday, you guys. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to go ahead and do our rent/bill binder, which is right here. We only have 2 envelopes for this month to complete, and I'm hoping I can complete it soon because, yeah. All right, insurance has... I think 104, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I need $40 and I'm done with this one. So yay, awesome. So we're done with insurance now. You guys are doing great. Let me know if you guys doing anything for this weekend. I'll be excited to know all your fun activity. By the way, it's Amanda's birthday today. So happy birthday, Amanda, if you're watching. All right, so... on this one right here, we need 500 and I only have 60, but I'm actually going to add $100, you guys. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. So we have 160, okay? 160. $160. So yay. Woo, we're getting close. Awesome sauce. Okay, awesome. Okay, guys. Now we're going to get into my little saving binder here. This one right here, I'm going to add to Alex, aka my husband, right here. His birthday is this month, you guys, and I need to complete it. So I already have $100, but I also want to get like a pina colada jello that one of our coworkers makes, and I think that one's 35. So let me see how much I have. That's 100, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15. So let me add 30 to his. Okay. All right, so we're adding 30. Let's see. 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 145 on this one, which should be fine. I think she said 35, if I'm not mistaken, but it's okay. If we have extra money, that will be great. If not, I may use those extra money for some balloons. I don't know. Okay, so there's that out the way. So yay. Awesome. And I want to get this one out the way too because I need to save $900. So this one is halfway. So I need 38 for this one. 35, 6, 7, and 8. So 38 on this one, and this is done. So exciting. So we have 75 so far. I know bigger numbers are so scary, guys. This is my first time for real really doing big numbers, but I need to do them for my renewal, for some stuff that I have to renew, and it's around 7 something. It could be more, I don't know, but it's around 700 and something, but 900 would not hurt me. So let's see, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 75, yay, in there. Let me actually exchange this. 2 of 5. Okay. So I don't have a lot of ones in there. Awesome. I need to get my oil change, you guys, this month. So there is an empty envelope right here. Let me add 40 to that one for today, because my oil change is around 100 and something. I don't know exactly. So let's add 40 to that. Okay, now we can go ahead and for real get it going. Woohoo! All right, so this one right here is gonna get a 20. A 20, my last 20. This one will save $300. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited because I'm getting a little bit closer to paying off my debt, my interest-free debt on that one. But yeah. All right, so there's that. All right, next we're gonna do this one. This one will save me $150. 150. So we're gonna add the 15 here. All right, 15. We still have one more 15 left, you guys, so that's gonna be the highest number, but one more 15 left on that one, so we can be done with the highest number. And I'm also excited for this one too, because this one's $150, you guys. That is bananas. Money adds up so quick, so please do not give up, guys. Don't give up. Money adds up really, really quick. So small amounts do add up. I'm going to go ahead and do a 4, you guys. I'm going to go ahead like this now. So let's just do a 4. So 4 for this one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Yay. Okay. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but it's been super gloomy, like I have said before, the entire week. 7 days, well, we're already in day 6. 6 out of 7 days has been gloomy, gloomy, gloomy. Like, there has not been no time. Maybe yesterday was the only time that had a little bit of shine just here and there. We're going to add a Happy Meal for $5. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have been doing a lot of spending. You know, I said I wanted between 4 to 5 spend for this month. Yeah, I'm about to be on number 4, I think. I don't know, but I told you guys this month was gonna be a little bit spendy. But you guys, I couldn't resist to the lunch Soft Save had today, and thankfully I was able to get 2 items that I really wanted. Oh my gosh, I was so scared. I get scared when stuff like that happens, when people lunch stuff, and I'm like, especially her stuff goes banana quick, like bananas. All right, it sells like hot pancakes. All right, this one right here, we're gonna be saving $50. So let's see how much we're gonna scrap. Oh, a 5. Yay. $5 in this one. Awesome. I got this in a little mail, if I'm not mistaken. So yay. Okay, so $5 for this one. We got plenty more left. All right, this one here is a saving pet. I got it also in a Happy Meal. We're gonna go ahead and do the bigger number. The bigger number on here is 14. So we're gonna do a 14. Ooh, awesome sauce. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Yes. All right. Awesome. Okay. Let me see how much envelopes we have left, because I really want to do my Christmas one so bad, because Christmas be coming quick. It sneaks up on us. So let's see. I'm going to skip my birthday just because. Okay, here's one for Christmas. Christmas, it has a 9. Ooh, 9 for Christmas. Okay. So 9 for Christmas. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, good. All right. Awesome. Okay. Have you guys noticed, let me know, have you guys noticed that when you have the money and the envelope for like the longest time ever, they start smelling little rotten kind of smell? Let me know. All right, let's add a 5 for Dylan. Dylan is my youngest. Okay. And let's add another 5 for Eric, who is my oldest. Okay, Awesome. There we go. Everyone got a little bit of love except for my birthday envelope, but that's okay. Next time she will. Okay, yay. Now to my Christmas challenge. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. The exciting part about this is from Jib by E, also known as Erica or Black and Blue. This one right here, I don't know how much I'm gonna save, so this is exciting. All right, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna do $15, you guys. Okay, we still have almost what, 10 more months. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? 10 more months until we complete this, because you know you have to start shopping early, because when you're shopping late sometimes you can't find good stuff, I'll be honest with you. Okay, so we're gonna do 15. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. All right, so yay. Let me know if you can hear the birds outside. I don't think you will. They're a little bit too low, but I can hear them. We have a tree right here next to the window, and sometimes they're like right there. You can hear them, especially like super early in the morning. And oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. All right, there you have it, guys. We have a lot more to go. All right, awesome. Okay, thank you so much for watching, loves. Oh, what the heck? I was about to put it like that. What happened? What happened? Wait, hold on. Oh no, what did I do? Did I do something wrong? You guys, look. I don't know what I did, but I have to go back to the video. Did I try to do this? Ay, qué pendeja. I don't know what happened here, though. Oh no. What did I do? Did I do something wrong? I don't know. Well, I have to check the video. Okay, guys. I see you guys tomorrow for Sunday cash stuffing. Another cash stuffing. So, yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Adios. I love you guys.